All right. Prune, prune, prune. Do this while your things are asleep. It's a grapevine. I don't want any of this stuff just sticking out. Waste of energy. I want that energy going elsewhere into fruiting and growing upwards and around and abouts. Also, these branches will sag. Why do I want grapes on the ground? Cause diseases. Just get this cleaned up. This is looking like a mess. Places for worms to hide. And see, you want to train your grapes when they're nice and green, when they're growing, so that you don't have this issue. Once they turn brown, they get, they turn like a branch. Like this could have been growing up and inwards in there. I should have trained that when I had the opportunity. Not gonna work now. Grapes do really well in this high heat. I'm in Vegas, zone 9. A lot of times what I'm noticing is that the things that do well here are smaller things. Grapes are small. So like with tomatoes, for instance, you want those small little cherry tomatoes versus those big beefsteaks. Just the idea is to think smaller. This thing grew a lot. This was like end of fall when I parried this flame grape. Gotta go. Now cut all this up, make some mulch. You just really want to think about that shape. I got twigs, I got sunflower stems. All going in compost. Or left down here for mulch. I'm gonna cut it up a little bit. But yeah, look at this whole bottom piece is just a mess. Like all of these little pieces that are just sticking out. It's gonna cause issues. But overall, I'm just surprised how big this thing grew. Peruvian apple, pomegranate in a pot. I'm tempted to, I just want to see if it will fruit in the pot. I'm really happy with this trellis. And I just love a good grape. I can climb all the way up this mug. It's like 10 feet tall or so. So I'm obviously gonna have to move these, but I don't know. I'm kind of thinking I'm gonna need more space. Maybe I should have made a wall for grapes. Can't wait to get fruit off this Peruvian. Things are waking up. So what are your guys' ideas? Like, share, subscribe, do all that stuff, of course. Let's help each other on this journey. And let's grow.